Best Kayak Wall Mounts. Welcome to our comprehensive guide on the best kayak wall mounts. Whether you're an avid kayaker, paddleboarder, or watercraft enthusiast, having a reliable storage solution is essential for keeping your equipment safe and organized. In this video, we'll showcase top-rated kayak wall mounts, highlighting their unique features and benefits to help you make an informed decision. From the versatile R80 sports mounts to the durable Ascend adjustable cradles, we've got you covered. Let's dive in and find the perfect storage solution for you.
Finding the best fishing gear can be such a long task, especially since you have to pick through many choices in the market. Fish Finally is here to make your job easier. Our list of recommendations carry only the best products of the bunch. To know more about each of these, you can always check out the links we've put in the description box. Let's dive in. Up next, we have a great mid-range model that would give you a satisfactory result all around.
R80 Sports 100 pounds Kayak Wall Mounts. Effortlessly store your paddleboard, surfboard, or snowboard with the Kayak Rack by Rad Sports. This versatile wall-mounted rack frees up precious floor space by securely holding your equipment up to 100 pounds. Key features include sturdy, powder-coated steel construction and foam-padded hooks that prevent scratches. The two J-shaped hooks can be easily mounted into wall studs with the provided hardware, ensuring safe and organized storage. Designed for easy installation, the rack comes with an instruction manual and all necessary mounting hardware. Product dimensions are 15.25 inches by 3 inches by 25 inches, making it a practical solution for your garage, shed, or barn. Rad Sports guarantees the best value and quality, offering a reliable and genuine storage solution for all your sporting equipment. Pelican Kayak Wall Mounts. Maximize your storage efficiency with the Pelican Kayak Wall Mount, featuring a unique swivel system that folds the bracket back against the wall when not in use. This innovative design ensures the rack is never in your way. Constructed from solid steel with a powder-coated finish, it's perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. 3 rubber pads per tube protect your kayak during storage, while an additional storage space beneath the mount conveniently holds your paddles. Imported and known for its quality, the Pelican Kayak Wall Rack offers durability and space-saving benefits, keeping your equipment organized and easily accessible. Ideal for any kayaker, this wall rack combines practicality with robust construction. Raxgo Kayak Wall Mounts. Transform your storage space with the Raxgo adjustable, wall-mounted kayak holder. Designed for water rafting enthusiasts, this kayak wall rack supports up to 77 pounds and fits most kayak sizes with adjustable arms ranging from 18.25 inch to 25.5. Made from solid steel, it ensures durable, reliable support. The foldable arms save space by tucking away when not in use. Installation is a breeze with the easy-to-read instruction guide, allowing you to set it up effortlessly. The rack's special coating prevents scratches, scuffs, and paint chipping, keeping your equipment in top condition. Versatile enough to hold paddleboards, surfboards, wakeboards, or canoes, the Raxgo kayak holder is the ultimate space-saving solution for your garage or basement.
Let's start the ball rolling with the best budget option that will not skimp on any desired features.
Ascend adjustable kayak wall mounts. Maximize your storage space with the Ascend adjustable kayak/canoe wall cradle, perfect for stowing your watercraft securely. This wall cradle, made from durable powder-coated steel, supports up to 200 pounds and accommodates SUPs, kayaks, canoes, and more. Its innovative design allows the cradle to fold flat against the wall, saving space when not in use. Foam sleeves and plastic end caps protect against scuffs and scratches, while adjustable arms extend from 14-inch to 17.75 for a customizable fit. Installation is simple with the included hardware kit. Durable and corrosion-resistant, This wall cradle ensures long-lasting use. Imported and versatile, the Ascend adjustable wall cradle is an essential addition to any watercraft enthusiast's garage or storage area. Malone J-Dock Hybrid Kayak Wall Mounts. Introducing the Malone J-Dock Hybrid Wall Mount Storage System, the ultimate in versatility for wall-mounted storage. This system can hold up to 2 kayaks and is spacious enough for a roof box or canoe. With a robust 200 pounds capacity, the all-steel frames are corrosion-resistant, ensuring durability for both indoor and outdoor use. The J-Dock includes a sling storage system for a second boat, making it an efficient space-saving solution. Installation is straightforward with the provided lag bolts and 12-foot cam buckle load straps. Plus, it comes with a Malone lifetime warranty, guaranteeing long-term reliability. The Malone J-Dock Hybrid Wall Mount is perfect for any watercraft enthusiast looking to keep their gear organized and protected. R80 Sports 2-Pack Kayak Wall Mounts. Effortlessly organize your garage or shed with the Kayak Storage Rack 2-Pack by Rad Sports. This set includes 4 J-shaped hooks, allowing you to mount 2 kayaks, snowboards, paddleboards, canoes, or surfboards securely to your wall. Each pair of powder-coated steel hooks supports up to 100 pounds and features foam padding to prevent scratches on your equipment. Installation is a breeze, requiring minimal assembly and tools, with all necessary hardware provided. Measuring 15.25 inches by 3 inches by 25 inches, these durable and protective hooks free up valuable floor space, keeping your sporting equipment safe and organized. Please note that items may ship separately.
Before we get to the best of the bunch, let's look at the runner-up for today's video.
R80 Sports Pro Kayak Wall Mounts. Effortlessly store your paddleboard, surfboard, or snowboard with the Kayak Storage Rack by Rad Sports. This versatile rack holds up to 125 pounds, accommodating even the largest kayaks or paddleboards. Safety is ensured with included nylon straps and clips, keeping your equipment secure and preventing falls. The rack's high-quality yellow powder-coated steel construction guarantees durability for years of use. Easy to mount on walls, posts, benches, and more, it offers flexible installation options to suit your needs. Ideal for both home and business use, this storage rack is a valuable addition to any space, providing a convenient and reliable solution for organizing your sporting equipment. Thanks for watching our guide on the best kayak wall mounts. We hope this video helped you find the ideal storage solution for your needs. Remember, a good wall mount not only saves space but also protects your valuable equipment. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and reviews on outdoor gear. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or want to share your own storage solutions. Happy kayaking, and see you in the next video. If you like this video and found it helpful, please subscribe our channel.